Hey students, again welcome back to my channel Axity. So in this video we are going to discuss about the sample questions, that means IELTS writing sample essay questions for 27th March 2021. We already updated the complete prediction for the same test date for academic and general module. So I got so many requests to update the essay samples, and please remember one thing, you will not get questions same like this, but the topic will be same. So here I just want to make you familiar with this topic and how you will get questions under these topics. Okay. So the first topic, work and life. So people aim to achieve a balance between their work and life, but few people achieve it. What are the causes of this problem and how to overcome it? So this question is under problem solution essay. So you need to give proper reasons for this along with some solutions. So try to give at least two reasons. So the next topic is society and government. Throughout the history, male leaders always lead as to violence and conflicts. If the society is governed by female leaders, it will be more peaceful. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? So this is to what extent type of question. So try to write about both the sides. So, next topic, society and history. History tells that people have often thought about creating an ideal society, but most of the time fail in making this happen. What is your opinion about an ideal society and how can we create an ideal society? It's a two-part question. You need to answer for both the question. Next topic, technology and computer. With the increase in the use of mobile phones and computers, fewer people are writing letters. Some people think that the traditional skill of writing letters will disappear completely. To what extent do you agree or disagree? And how important do you think is letter writing? So here also you need to answer for both the question. First you want to give your opinion whether you are agreeing with this or not. Then you should answer for how important do you think is letter writing. Okay, so if you are not answering for that particular question means you will lose score for task achievement. So the next topic is world issues. Rich countries should not employ skilled laborers from poor countries, as poor countries need the workers more. Do you agree or disagree? So it's a one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree. Next topic, culture and tradition, or it's related to tourism. The traditional lifestyle of local people in developing countries is attracting and increased in the number of tourists to the countries, which has the effect of preventing local people changing to modern ways. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you can be in balance, you can write about both the side. Next topic, related to work and salary. Some people say that professional workers such as doctors, nurses and teachers who make greater contribution to the society should be paid more than those people in the field of sports and entertainment. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you can give importance of both the side. That means about the entertainment and sports field and also about the other sectors. That means doctor, teachers and all. So here also you can be in balance. Next topic, environment and business. Some people think the main benefits of international cooperation is in the protection of the environment, while others think that the main benefit is the world business. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So here you want to discuss about both the side and you need to write your opinion too. It's better to add third body paragraph with your opinion. Next topic, related to language. Some people take it is better for children to begin to learn foreign language at primary schools than at secondary school. What's your opinion regarding that? And do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So it's an outweigh type of question. You can expect outweigh type of question in your test. Next topic, related to children and youngsters. Young people are often influenced in their behavior and situations by others of the same age. This is called peer pressure. Do the disadvantages outweigh the advantages? So in case of outweigh type of question, it's better to add third body paragraph 2. Okay, so either you can support advantages or you can support disadvantages. Which one you are supporting, according to that you need to arrange your body paragraph. So the next topic is related to transportation. In many cities and towns, the high volume of road traffic is a problem. What are the causes of that and what action could be taken to solve the problem? So you need to write the reasons and also the solutions. Okay, either you can write togetherly or you can separate the body paragraph, like causes in one body paragraph and solutions in another. Next topic, related to news and media. Some people think news have no connection to people's life. So then it is a waste of time to read the news in the newspaper and watch television news program. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So the next topic is related to art, culture and tradition. Museums and art galleries should focus on works that show the history and culture of their own country rather than works of other parts of the world. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next topic related to education. Some universities now offer their courses on the internet so that people can study online. That means via distance learning program. So is this a positive or negative development? So you want to you can set it as a positive development, or you can set it as a negative development, or it have both positive and negative side. Okay, according to your points. Next topic related to sports and exercise. Some people think that it is a waste of money for countries to host big sporting events like the World Cup, and that the money would be better spent on other things. However, others think that hosting large sporting events has a clear and the positive impact on the country. Discuss both sides. Either they will ask like discuss both views, that means under discussion type essay, or along with opinion. Discuss both views and state your opinion. Then the next topic related to modernization or globalization. Some people think that in modern society, individuals are becoming more dependent on each other, while others say that individuals are becoming more independent of each other. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. So it's better to add third body paragraph too. So the next topic related to food and environment. The food travels thousands of miles from farmers to consumers. Some people think it would be better to our environment and economy if people only ate locally produced food. To what extent do the disadvantages outweigh the advantages? So the next topic related to technology, internet and computer. More and more people are using computers and other electronic devices to access information. So printing of books, magazines and newspapers should not be done. Do you agree or disagree with this? So it's a one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree and give reasons. Next topic related to materialism. More and more people want to buy famous brands of clothes, cars, and other items. What are the reasons, and do you think it is a positive or negative development? So you want to give answer for both the question. You need to give reasons, and also you need to say your opinion whether it is a positive or negative development. What do you think about that? Next topic related to transportation. Many people are now spending more and more time traveling to work or school. Some people believe that this has a negative development, while others think there are some benefits. So discuss both views and give your opinion. So here you want to give importance to the traveling time. Okay, you need to discuss about both the side and you need to give your opinion too. Next topic related to building and leisure activities. There are more new towns being built nowadays. It is more important to include public parks and sports facilities than shopping centers for individuals to spend their free time. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's also a balanced opinion type essay. So you can write about public parks, sports facilities, and also about shopping centers, importance of all. Next topic related to education. Some people believe that everyone has right for university education. Therefore, government should make university education free for everyone, no matter what their financial background is. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So you can expect the questions related to education too. So give importance for that. Next topic related to government and economy. In many countries, government spend a large amount of money on improving internet access. Why is it happening? Do you think it is more appropriate use of government money? It's a two-part essay. You need to answer for both the part of the question. So the next question also related to government and economy. The restoration of old building in major cities in the world involves a lot of government expenditure. This money should be used in new housing and road development. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So now also most of the students have confusion regarding one-sided opinion essay. That means do you agree or disagree, and also to what extent. In case of to what extent type of question, it's better to be in partial. You can write about both the side. Okay. So the next topic is health and lifestyle. Science tells the activities that are good for the health. However, some people still continue doing unhealthy habits. Why is this so, and what changes can be done? So it's coming under problem solution essay. You want to give reasons for this and what all other solutions you can suggest. So these all are the topics, so try to collect some points under each topics, so you will get one question out from these topics only. So all the very best for your test date. And if you find this video helpful, means don't forget to subscribe our channel and to turn on the notification bell too, and try to select the all option, and please give thumbs up and share with your friends. So stay tuned, I will be back with more IELTS related videos. So thank you so much.